Hello, today I'd like to show you this very soft and like cozy blanket. Mine is in a size 127 per 152, so that's the size of it. It's pretty big. I think it's going to cover entire bed. So I mean, as I said, it's so comfortable, so like I feel like going to sleep when I'm touching it. Like it feels like a silky material, like a very like velvety, very soft one. And also, as you can see, we've got no cables here, and this one is like a heated blanket. And the way this works is, I'm just trying to find the connector. So this one has benefit of being able to be washed in a washing machine. So if it's not connected to anything, then you can just simply put it in your washing machine and not worry about a thing. So that is absolutely great. And then when you want to use it again, all you do is like you look for this a little thing, then you attach it to your cable, and then you can simply use it again. And it's nice, soft, and clean. So how this works, so you've got this a little thing that you attach to your like controller, or however you want to call it, and in here, of course, that's where we turn on our heated blanket. So that is the turn on button. This one is a timer, so we've got 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 like timer options. And in here, that is the temperature, and for temperature, you wouldn't imagine, we've got as much as 9 different temperatures to choose from. So I'm sure you'll be able to find something for yourself, whether you feel like getting a little bit hotter, or you don't really want to get you just want to get like slightly warmer. I think this will be absolutely perfect. So it's very easy to use. Literally, you just connect this little thing to your blanket, then connect it to power socket, and you're good to go. So I'm just going to very quickly show you. So let's turn it on. And as you can see, we've got timer from 1 hour, and we've got temperature of 4. So I can just switch in between temperature, go into 9, and I can switch in between the time. And so our blanket is going to heat up slowly and just ensure you are nice and cozy.